Hi everyone! Today I would like to show you how to make one of the very common dishes called shredded pork with green pepper. This is also one of my son's favorite dishes. To make shredded pork with green pepper, I have about 10 ounces of pork here and 5 pieces of green pepper. This pepper is really spicy. It's supposed to be spicy. Also, I have this 1 big tablespoon of chili garlic sauce here. It's got from the grocery store. You can get it from any grocery store. They have this on the Asian section. And I have ginger, garlic, and a little bit of red pepper. This little red pepper also very hot. It just try to give more color to this dish. Okay, first I will prepare the pork. The pork is supposed to be shredded and very thin and pieces. Trim the pork and cut in a small slice. The thinner the better. So you can see I slice them very thin. So you can see very thin. See this shredded, just very thin slice. Okay. After I shred it, I will put in this water to wash the pork because there is lots of blood in the pork, so they will give a bad taste when you cook the pork. So I just wash them very well, make sure the blood all washed off. You can see the water became a little bit of red color. That's the blood come out from the pork. Okay, I will squeeze them dry. How do you clean your pork? Did you wash them? Please leave your comment down below. If you're new to my channel, please click subscribe button. Then I marinate with some salt, about a half teaspoon. White pepper powder. You can use black pepper powder. Cooking wine. Some light soy sauce. And some dark soy sauce. Mix them together. Then I will add 1 egg white. So still have some egg yolk. Okay. To tenderize the pork, I add a little bit of cornstarch, about a half teaspoon. Then I will set the meat on side while I prepare the green pepper. Now let me cut the green pepper. Take both ends off. Then cut in very thin slice. In French, they call this thin slice julienne. Sound like a girl's name. I don't know why they call julienne. If you know, please leave in the comment area. Pepper is ready. Then I will just prepare the ginger. ginger, garlic, and small red chili pepper. Okay, everything is ready. Let me start to show you how to cook shredded pork with green pepper. I will cook green pepper first. Put some oil in the wok. About 2 tablespoons. Then I will also add a little bit of lard. Lard is made out of pork fat. So adding a little bit of lard with vegetable oil can make this more flavorful. If you don't have lard, don't worry about it. Just use the cooking oil. That'll be good enough. And season the pepper with a half teaspoon of salt. Once the green pepper is getting soft, like almost halfway done, set on the side. Then add more oil to the wok. And add a little bit of oil in your marinade pork to prevent pork stick to the bottom of the wok. Oil is hot. Put pork in. When the pork turns to brown, and add all those seasoning in, ginger, garlic, and red chili pepper. Then add back the green pepper. Then add 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce and stir fry them together. Pretty good. Then add a little bit of dark soy sauce to change the color. Okay, then it's ready. Then the simple and delicious green pepper with shredded pork is done. If you like my cooking, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And please try this at home. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.